Yo, shout out to the West African brother Burna Boy for speaking truth to this stupid shit that's going on with this FBA shit. He clarified himself even though he shouldn't have to. Yo, pay attention to this content. Yo, what up, One Coalition? Hey, look, shout out to everybody who been supporting the channel, man. Y'all know who y'all are, man. Shout out to y'all for all the support, you know what I'm saying? Y'all motivate me to keep going and speaking truth to this fucked up shit that's going on. I was watching another thing that went viral online as far as like this nigga Tariq Nasheed trying to say that Burna Boy is trying to separate us or something like that. Like Burna Boy is down talking on black Americans. And Burna Boy even came and clarified what he was saying. But it seems like these FBA cult people still want hatred. They still want war. And it's fucked up that they want war amongst our own people. I've never seen anything like this, and I hope to never have to witness anything like this later on in life, because I know they'll die out. It's going to be over in a few. It's too many black people from all over the world who are more united than these people right here. And it's sad that you have black people who are following the same teachings as the white supremacists and separating themselves from us. Like, we got too much shit we need to worry about as a whole than to separate ourselves. So let me post this right here what Burna Boy was saying, and he had to clarify himself, and it's sad that he even had to clarify himself to let this man know that, like, yo, we are one people. We are one people. Of course, black Americans don't know how it is in Africa, and they only listen to somebody who's been to Africa and know how it is over there telling them that African people hate them. And every chance he get to try to go against an African person or Caribbean person, he'll do it. He'll cause separation. And they can't wake up there. They're not smart enough to know what this man is trying to do. He's leading y'all to destruction, man. And I hope that y'all wake up before it's all said and done. But shout out to everybody who subscribed to the channel. And I realized that when I look at my analytics of this channel, thousands of people go through there. I don't know why they don't hit the button. But you know, it could be some other shit behind that too, because Tariq Nasheed has blocked me on all platforms. So evidently he's listening, and the people around him are listening. So I'm gonna keep on speaking my truth, you know what I'm saying, and beating that shit into their heads so they can know. Yo, shout out to everybody, man. One Coalition. Like, comment, subscribe.